Hello YouTube, it's time for my first unboxing and I'm going to be unboxing a Noke which I just got in the mail after I ordered it online. So just going to open the shipping container. I've already ripped off the plastic sticky tape and here it is. Looks like it's in a little plastic container and if I look on the back it's got some information and about the apps and whatnot. So I'm just going to unbox it now. Just open the container. Oh, it says open here. There we go. I think that should unlock it. Still a little bit hard to get open. There we go. There we go. Open now. And yeah, it looks pretty much like it looks like in the photographs. I suppose it's maybe a little bit thicker than I thought. Just pulling it out of its little container here. So this is basically an electronic padlock that can be controlled by a mobile phone app, which you can download. Comes with it. So I guess I'm still trying to figure out how to get it out of the box. It seems a little bit stuck. It started turning colours, so that's an interesting sign. So I've just realised that I need to actually open it from the back side as well. That seems to reveal something here. Yeah, there we go. So this little clip here, I'm assuming this is probably what was holding it in. So just take that out and then hopefully the whole thing will loosen up. Still, here we go. So these two little notches here, looks like these have to be squeezed together. So I'm just going to squeeze them. Oh, there we go. So out comes the little clip that was holding it in place. And here is the Noke. So I've got it in my hand now. It's it's weighty. It feels fairly heavy, but solid. It's not really much moving parts except for the little lock bit, which I guess would be moving. So yeah, interesting. There's a little sort of dial here. I'm not really sure what that's for. Hopefully that doesn't unlock it, because then it wouldn't be a very safe lock. So I seem to have succeeded in opening it. When I push this down, it seems to sort of turn different colors. I'm guessing that's some sort of pairing mechanism. So what I might try doing now is, I think I will just grab my phone, and it's an iPhone 6S, and I'll see if I can pair it with my phone. So I'm just going to open the Noke app, which you can see I've already downloaded from the App Store. So my Noke here, opening the app. There it is. I'm going to log in because I've already created an account. So I just need to check my password. So I might need to just set up a new account online. Okay, so I'm just doing a password reset right now. So that should hopefully resolve the issue. Now that didn't work, so I'm just going to try again. I might see if just trying from the app works differently, because maybe it's a different kind of user account in the app than it is if I do it online on my desktop. Okay, so I've decided to try setting up an account just on the phone. So you can see I'm at select photo screen now that I've filled out my details. So I'll just take a photo of myself. Smile for the camera. And select a security question. Name of your closest childhood friend. 3 security questions. So it looks like these guys are pretty full on with their security. They want to ask you lots of different questions. I guess they want to make sure that an intruder can't guess your details that quickly in order to hack your account. So I've filled out the questions and I'm just going to log in now. And the app crashed, so I've just restarted it. And I've just gotten an email from Noke saying that my account was successfully created. So it looks like I did actually end up having to create a separate account on the app itself. Now I'm just logging in here, it says the account hasn't been confirmed, so it looks like I have to go to my email again and do one more confirmation. Hopefully it'll work this time. Still got my device right here, it's not being used yet, but hopefully soon. There we go, now confirmed, so I can now log in. So I'll just try again. And yes, looks like I'm logged in. So now I've logged into the Noke app and I'm just going to click or tap on add a Noke, just in that corner there. There are 4 ways to open Noke. So I'm going to skip the video, I'll just try setting it up myself. So it's press and release your Noke shackle. So looks like I was right about that, so I'm just going to do that. And there we go. It's picked it up. Now I can name my Noke. I'm just going to call it Jonathan because it's the only Noke I have. And there's the serial number. And next. Give your Noke a photo. Wow. The Noke can have its own photo. I might just take a photo of the Noke itself. There we go. How about that? How about that for meta? There it is, my Noke. I'm going to use that photo. Or I can even make a square out of it. I'm guessing they use that for their sort of homepage panel. Now, choose how you want to unlock the Noke with your device. Should it be a step unlock where you squeeze the Noke shackle and it unlocks quick and easy, or do you want it to be squeeze the Noke, then confirm on the Noke app to unlock, and that gives you extra security. So I think I'm just going to go with the first one, because I think as long as my phone is in proximity, that's probably enough security. So I'm just going to go with that. Now, if you don't have your smartphone, you can unlock Noke by pressing the shackle with a series of long clicks called quick click. So I might just let the Noke create one for me. So this is your Noke quick click code. So keep it in a safe place, and I'm just going to screenshot it. Probably not the safest way, but hey, I'm in a rush. So now it says saving to the cloud. So it's interesting, Noke isn't a peer-to-peer system, they obviously sync to a cloud of their own. So just wait for that to happen. Looks like it's been done because there's a next button there now, so I'm just going to tap that. Now press and release Noke shackle and place it next to your phone. Then press the next above. So I pressed and released, and then I press next. Saving settings to Noke. Please do not touch Noke or your phone until complete. So I'm touching my phone, but hopefully not in the way they mean. I'm guessing they mean don't touch the screen or tap the screen. So just waiting for that update process to happen. And here's my Noke, still blinking. Enjoy your Noke. Well, I guess that's it. Let's give that a go. So I'm just gonna press it. And there we go. I think it's unlocked itself. Yes, there we go. It's an unlocked Noke. That's awesome. So, probably lock it again. And now it's locked. And what I might have a try at doing is just see if I could just turn my phone off. Maybe then it will keep it locked without me being able to unlock it, because that'll be a way to just prove that it's not going to work for an intruder who doesn't have my phone. And yeah, there we go, sure enough. Doesn't unlock. Looks pretty safe to me. I don't think there's any way of getting through that. So I'll just turn my phone back on. Just wait for that to boot up. And if this thing is as secure as I think it is, it should work and not let anyone in unless the phone is turned on. And then if it's working correctly, then when my phone is on, it should allow me to unlock it. So just wait for that to boot up. Now my phone's up. I'm just going to unlock my phone. Got to unlock the phone before I unlock the Noke, and try again. Now that's not unlocking. I think I probably need to start the Noke app in order to get that to work. So I'm just going to go into that Noke app, log in. There we go. Try again. There we go, and it's unlocked. So that's the Noke, and I'll just put it in the box again, and that's basically it, folks. That's what you get, a lock and the phone app to unlock it with. And I might make a future video about how to do the setting of the code and other things, but for now that's it. Thank you.